Thank you for joining us here on Just Conspiracy, where we just wish to conspire to bring heaven down to earth. If you can get down with that cause, please like, share, comment, subscribe, talk about this with somebody, look in the description, go to the Telegram chat. Do something, because time is running out. In the last video, somebody asked me to explain cause and effect, the law of cause and effect a little bit better, and how an effect can't affect another effect, and what a cause actually is. So I figured I'd take a few minutes today to kind of break this down. A case is an action or a suit at court in a court of law. Oracle went down and filed her case against Tyler Ray. If you don't know about it, or about calling the news or the media or what we're asking people to do, I'm going to put a video about it right here. Now that we know that a case is something that you go and you file down at the courthouse, it's a suit in law or an action. A cause is what creates the case. It's the wrongdoing, the taking away of rights, the taking away of law. It's the thing that causes the case to be created. And when you have a case and it's your case, it's your cause, because a cause is a case with you in it. With you in it. It has to do with you. It has to do with your substantive and material rights. Kind of like the public's cause in Oracle's case should be that their public records are going missing. That they cannot trust the clerk of courts to perform his duties accurately and appropriately. That's the public's cause in this case. Now, if we cannot get attention to this cause, if we cannot get an answer, if we cannot get an effect to this cause, then this cause is just an effect, and the effect is because the cause to cause that effect is not having law. And if we can't cause an effect to have an answer about that loss of law, then it's just an effect. And the effect of not having law cannot affect not having law in such a way where it brings law back. Only a cause can have an effect in such a way that causes law to come back in the courthouse. And that's never going to happen if the people don't actually care and don't have any cause about having law at the courthouse. And that's what I'm saying. I really appreciate everybody who's been making the calls to the media, making the calls to the newsroom, saying, hey, the court is not answering these questions that they're supposed to answer. The court is not allowing itself to open up so that facts can be placed on the record of it, which is kind of the entire reason it exists. Why don't you go ask them why this is happening? Why don't you let the rest of us know? Because it's very, very concerning to us that there's no law down at the courthouse. When there's no law down at the courthouse, your property cannot be secure. It's really that simple. So anybody who owns any type of property, whether real or personal, they have a reason to have cause in this action. And so again, I just wish to appreciate and say thank you to everybody who's been calling the news, calling the media, trying to bring attention to this cause so that maybe this cause will produce and cause an effect to happen. And hopefully that effect will be getting a little bit of law back, just a little bit, but at least it's a foot in the door and a step in the right direction. I hope that's kind of cleared this up. We are Just Conspiracy, and we just wish to conspire to bring heaven down to earth. One world, love, and peace.